Now that we have a copy of PlantSim, let's check out some important areas of interest to help us inside and outside of PlantSim. The following links will be provided at the end of this video. If you're wanting general model building knowledge in PlantSim, I recommend going to their online forums. Here you will find posts from other users, and once you register for an account, you can reply to posts and create your own post. Also, I recommend checking out Stefan Bangsal's website as there are good examples there. He also provides links to his books that can be very helpful. And if you want more information on features and methods used in PlantSim, I highly recommend using PlantSim's documentation you see here. As a beginning user of PlantSim, one of the best places to learn is inside PlantSim on the startup screen. Look for Getting Started, and then go to Example Models. Here you will find many examples that Siemens has already built out. While they may not contain exactly what you are looking for, they are typically close enough to get you started in answering questions you have about your model. If you find yourself needing help with your business needs and/or model, you can always reach out to us at www.simulationdynamics.com. Thank you and see you soon.